to show you. We bricked this one wall in the room. I did a commercial job, and then in the basement it had a wall that was bricked, and it was painted white actually, and we really liked it. It's kind of industrial, modern, so that's what we were going with. I took a picture of that wall, I showed it to the masons, and I wanted them to mimic that, and we were really happy with the way it turned out. In the real picture, basement wall, there were some spots in there. These are, we just picked up some of our bricks after they had bricked the exterior, so a lot of them are broken intentionally is what we wanted to do. There's some whole bricks in here, but a lot of broken ones too. But if you'll notice, it's pretty subliminal. Like, we got a couple of rows in here that have a lot of just small bricks, which is what we wanted. There's another one about 4 rows underneath the ductwork up top up there. And it's hard to see them, you don't really notice them in the whole picture, but just the whole composition comes together and looks real interesting. And then we wanted to get the mortar dug out irregular, you know, like it was just, you know, not the same throughout. Some spots are not so much. And even the way the brick is laid, the spacing, you know, it's a little bit tough to get somebody sometimes, you know, to break out of their normal and make something irregular. You know, it's just everybody's used to doing the same thing, and so we were real happy with the way it turned out. I will say that at first we didn't have it painted. This exterior brick is charcoal gray, the mortar's charcoal, and it did make the room seem a lot smaller. So after we got it done, we decided we would paint it the same as the wall color, and we really were happy with it after that. Really like it a lot better. Painted white, the room seems bigger again, and so, you know, we left it. We don't have a door between the bathroom and the bedroom here, so we're just leaving this opening the way it is right here. So anyways, just want to give you a glimpse. We like the way that, you know, the ductwork, and this is more, like I said, more industrial modern. We like the way that exposed ductwork just passes, you know, right into the brick. Just give you a little bit of a warehouse feel, I guess. But that's it. Hope you like it. I'll put some pictures of the before it was painted, and then see what you think. We really were happy with the painted white. And I'll stick some pictures in there of the original basement wall that I had that we used for a reference, just so you can see what we're going for. All right, thank you a lot.